can bloody see you, mate. Nice little bass.
Only a little one. Come here, you bugger.
It's not bad. But
Yeah, just on the lip as well.
Mm.
There we go, a little tiddler.
I can't see a bloody thing going.
That's alright, it's gone off, and it's fine. Ready? And there we go. Only a little tiddler, but that'll do.
Quite the expert.
Oh,
nice little school bass.
Yeah, that'll do me, mate. It's a good start. Call anything yet, Nick? 1-0.
Sunshine, I'm catching
1-0.
Now I've got 0-0. What's going on
That's
here?
right, that's fine. It's recording. Just pointing in the right direction.
Little school bass.
It's a big one.
I can't see. There's nothing showing on the screen.
It's got to be a bit. Oh, I'm getting tangled up here. Just. Right, keep pointing at me.
I got
No,
you.
you're pointing towards yourself. You've done it the wrong way round.
I got you now, mate.
Unbelievable.
I was filming myself.
Unbelievable.
Sorry, mate.
You didn't get the catching, did you?
Sorry, mate. I didn't get the all action that you wanted. I can see you now, though.
Got it?
Nah, it's a little schoolie, Gary.
No, that's huge.
No, it's a little schoolie, mate.
Look at all his gills, haven't
Yeah. Little schoolie.
Ooh, come here, baby.
It's a babby.
It's a huge one.
Want me to do it? Yeah.
That's it. That's it. All right. Another one. Still your bugger. Of course, there's both in there. Look. So
That's where a pair of pliers is at.
well, no, I've taken the barbs off these anyway, so.
Oh, have they?
Yeah. Oh, come on, baby. There she goes.
Oh, I've got that.
Number 4 or 5. I've lost the losing count now. It's on the.
Tiny baby. Babies. I don't take babies.
Ready? There he goes. Go inside that.
It'll do.
Don't lose it.
It's on the boat. Oh, no,
It's off the boat.
It's off the boat. It's down the trip. It's nothing over there. There
He
it
ain't
is.
caught a fish in ages. Well, he doesn't know what he's doing.
I lost the plot, mate.
You have. Oh, you got a. That's a. Go. What's the name?
It's a what?
Oh, I can't remember what it's called.
Gurnard.
Go now. Well done. Yeah, I can remember.
Well, I haven't had a quarter gurnard before.
Well, you have
so-
now. Get it in and let's have a look at it.
That's it. Gurnard.
Oh, they got sharpies in it. Hold on.
I think the same as the bass. Yes, a
Yeah.
gurnard. That is. Yeah, you got it.
Not yet. Oh.
Oh, yeah, look at them spines.
I know, yeah, I've got them in the end.
There you go, Gary.
I don't know.
Yeah, gurnard. Pretty look. He's an ugly fucker, but he's all right.
I don't know, compared to you.
Yeah, yeah. Well,
I've got him
compared to
kissing
me-
you.
Hello.
There you go, sweetie.
You got a gurnard. Pretty,
Oh,
pretty
bastard.
fish.
Oh, done right.
other beach, isn't it?
Yeah, I know. Unfortunately, the old man decided he'd had enough of me.
I thought I'd get it.
I didn't catch his. I thought, where's he going? No, your mate's got you.
I was just thought I'd get out and have a quick swim, you know, with all my clothes on.
He thought it was 2
I
foot.
thought it was. I thought my leg, it won't touch the ground.
Man overboard.
I got you. You didn't save me, Gary.
No, well, I just thought.
You just let me drown.
I didn't realise you was daft enough to go in, actually.